So today's topic will be about Dred versus Sanford.
In 1843, Dr. John Emerson purchased Dred and moved to Wisconsin Territory where slavery was banned due to the Missouri Compromise. They lived there for the next 4 years, with Scott working for others when Emerson was away. In 1840, Emerson and his family moved with Scott and his family to St. Louis, Louisiana, where Emerson died in 1843, leaving everything to his wife, Eliza Irene Sanford. In 1846, the Scots tried to buy their freedom with their hard-earned money, but Eliza refused, which prompted Scott to sue Sanford in state court, saying that since he and his family lived in a territory where slavery was banned, he was legally free. The court sided with Scott in 1850, but Mr. Sanford, Eliza's brother, appealed to the Missouri Supreme Court because he was unwilling to pay Scott's backed-up wages, and he won the case. Scott retaliated by filing a lawsuit in federal circuit court claiming damages against Sanford's brother for Sanford's alleged physical abuse against him, but the jury ruled that Scott was a slave under Missouri law, so he could not sue in federal court.
Scott appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court, and the case was reviewed in 1856. The court ruled in 7-2 against Scott, saying that since he was black, he was not a citizen of the U.S. and therefore wasn't eligible to bring cases to the federal court.
This set a precedent for African Americans wanting to sue in a federal court.
The Supreme Court also said that although he was a citizen of a free state, that did not grant him U.S. citizenship because the states had different citizenship criteria and he was black.
Also, the Supreme Court said that Scott's freedom could not be determined because he lived in a territory where Congress had no power to ban slavery. The Supreme Court viewed slaves as property, and the Fifth Amendment forbade Congress from taking property from individuals without compensation. This decision made worse the tensions between North and South and emboldened Southerners to expand slavery throughout the U.S.
True.
Anti-slavery forces who were outraged by the decision empowered the newly formed Republican Party.
This ruling stayed until the Reconstruction period when Congress passed the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments, which overturned the Dred Scott decision.
Thank you for listening in on today's historical segment.
Yeah, thanks, man.